In this video, you'll learn how to connect your spectroscopy setup with the LIBS mini app in AvaSoftX. You'll need a spectrometer, a laser, a fiber optic cable, and a trigger cable to connect to the trigger box. Make sure that you take into account all safety requirements needed for working with a laser. Position the fiber optic cable above the sample so it avoids the laser beam while collecting plasma. In this video, we used a collimating lens for alignment. Connect the other end of the fiber optic cable to the spectrometer. Connect the trigger cable to the spectrometer. Place your sample and turn the laser on. Open AvaSoftX with the LIBS application selected. Choose the appropriate trigger based on your setup. In this video, a laser-controlled LIBS measurement is used. The trigger can be set via LIBS mode in the LIBS ribbon, with laser controlled as the default. In this example, the integration time is 1 millisecond with an average of 1, adjustable via the left column settings in the window. To perform a dark measurement, set LIBS mode to spectrometer controls laser and ensure the laser is off. Start a measurement, then click Save Dark Reference to capture the baseline spectrum. Switch back to laser controlled by stopping the measurement, and then select Laser Controlled in LIBS mode in the LIBS window ribbon. By setting the number of measurements to 0, infinite measurements are taken. To select elements for LIBS analysis, stop the measurement and open the periodic table from the LIBS window ribbon. Click the elements you want to search for in the spectrum. In this video, the used sample is a vitamin pill. Therefore, we search for magnesium, sodium, potassium, iron, and carbon. After making your selection, click Show Peaks to close the periodic table and see the available elements shown in the spectrum. Click Start Measurement. Peaks that correspond to a specific element are shown in the LIBS spectrum. When peaks are near each other, there might be an overlap in the shown elements. By zooming into a specific wavelength range, you can see the separation of the elements. Thanks for watching this video. In need of more information or support, visit our website or contact us directly.